Dear students, today I am going to teach you a new topic of chapter 9, Houses and Quarters. So before start our new topic, let's do recall it. Let's do the revision of numerator and denominator. Our first example is 2 upon 6. We can write and speak in three ways. 2 sixth, 2 upon 6, 2 पार्ट आउट ऑफ 6 यानी कि 6 में से 2 पार्ट. So we can write this 3 ways also and we can speak in 3 ways also. Now we have to write the numerator. So in the 2 upon 6, which number is numerator? So the number which is above the line. Can you see the line? Above the line, that number is numerator. So here the written numerator. So we write here 2. Okay, now which number is in denominator? The number which is below the line, that is the denominator. So number 6 is a denominator. Understood about this? Okay, now let's see the second example. So that is a 3 upon 9. So we can say in 3 ways. 3 nines also, 3 upon 9 also, and we can say 3 part out of 9 also. We can write these 3 ways also. We can speak also. Now here in 3 upon 9, which number is a numerator? So the above the line number is 3. So number 3 is a numerator. So we have to write here 3. Now 9 number is below the line. So that is the denominator. So in front of denominator blanks we write the 9. And everybody knows about this. Numerator shows the parts which we have taken out, that is called the numerator, and the total part is called the denominator. That means 9 is the total parts and the parts which we have taken out, that is 3. The fraction is 3 upon 9. Now let's see the next example. 1 tenths. We can say 1 upon 10 also. Okay, and we can say 1 part out of 10 also. Okay, now what is the numerator here? Which number is numerator? So above the line number is 1. So 1 is a numerator. And which number is denominator? Below the line, that is 10. That is a denominator. Understood about the numerator and denominator? Now let's see the next example. What is the fraction here? 2 fifths. We can say 2 upon 5 also. Okay, and we can say 2 part out of 5. So what is here written is denominator. That means which number is denominator? So below the line number is denominator. So here you have to write 5. So first you have to read properly and then write the answer. Now next numerator. Which number is numerator? So that is a 2. Understood about the numerator and denominator? Now let's start our new topics, new exercise. Our question is color half of 10 apples. How many apples did you color? Here total 10 apples are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have to color the half apples. So what is the half of 10? 10 का half कितना होगा? That is 5. That means you have to color 5 apples like this way. Okay, 1, this is 2, this is 3, this one 4, and this one is 5. Okay, so you have to color the 5 apples. Any 5 apples you can color, and you have to write the answer here, 5 apples. Understood, students? Now let's see the next example. Color 3/4 of 8 balls. आपको 8 balls में से 3/4 बॉल को कलर करना है. तो फर्स्ट द फ्रैक्शन इज गिवन, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स. हाउ मेनी बॉल्स डिड यू कलर? कितने बॉल्स को आप कलर करोगे? सो दिस यू कैन थिंक इन 2 ways. यू कैन डू विद द method also, you can do with the calculation of mind also. So first we see the method. How can we solve with the method? So see here, the 3/4 multiply 8. I already taught you in previous video. So 3/4 multiply 8. So here in 4 table, where comes 8? 4 2s are 8. So we can cut it because the numerator denominator relation is division. So here cut and write 2. So which number is left? 3 and 2, and both are in numerator. So we have to multiply. 3 2s are 6. That means we have to color the 6 balls. But if you don't want to do this calculation, so you can do with your mind also. How? First we talk about the 3/4. 3/4 fractions, how can you make it? Half plus 1/4. Half plus 1/4 will make the 3/4. That has to think in your mind. No need to write anywhere. So what is the half of 8? That is 4. And 1/4. हाफ का भी हाफ होता है 1/4. So 1/4, that means 4 का हाफ होता है 2. So we add this both number and we get the 3/4. That means 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. This calculation we can do in our mind, and we can do color directly here also. So here you have to write the 6 balls, and then you have to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This 6 ball has to color. Understood, students? Now let's see the third example. So what is our third question? Color 1/4 of 12 balloons. हमें यहाँ पे जो 12 balloons दी है, let's count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 balloons. We have to color only 1/4 fraction only. So how can you find it? Just now I told you can find it both the ways, with the method also and with mind calculations also. So first we do the method. How? 12. Okay, number of balloons are 12, and we can we have to find the fraction 1/4. So 1/4 multiply 12. Okay. Now in 4 table, where comes 12? 4 3s are 12. So 1 and 3 left in numerator. So 3 1s are 3. That means the 1/4 fraction of 12 is 3. That means we have to color only 3 balloons. But if you don't want to do this calculation, how can you do it? So 1/4, that means first we have whatever you have to find, 1/4 or 3/4. First you have to do the half. So what is the half of 12? That is 6. Okay, और in 6 का भी half होता है 6. That means half. And 6 का half होता है 3. That means that is the 1/4. You can get the answer directly. Okay, so without calculation also you can do it. So here you have to only color the 1 2 and 3 balloons. Understood, students? What is the fractions of 12 balloons of 1/4? That is the 3 balloons. Okay, students, understood about this? Now our next question is solve the following. This already we have learned. So what is our questions? Half of 14. यानी हमें 14 का हाफ करना है. But here we have to compulsory do the method. Okay, so first we have to put the is equal to sign. Then you have to write half यानी 1/2. You have to remove this. Of की जगह हमें क्या लिखना है? Multiply. And then write number 14. Okay, here only the number 14 is here. There is no fraction. If you want to make a fraction, you can divide and write 1, because 14/1, the answer will come 14 only. So you can make it in fraction also, otherwise you can do directly also. Now I told you before it also. Now in 2 table, where comes 14? So 2 7s are 14. So we can cut directly 2, and then you cut 14 and write 7. Okay, so which number is left in numerator? 1 and 7. So 7 1, both the relation is multiplication, the same relation of numerator, the same relation of denominator. But the numerator and denominator relation is division. Think every time you remember. Now 7 1s are 7. Okay, so our answer is 7. Half of 14 is 7. Now let's see the second example. 3/4 of 28. The same way you have to do it. First you have to put is equal to sign. Then you write 3/4. You have to remove off and write multiply, and then write 28. Okay. Now in 4 table, where comes 28? 4 7s are 28. So cut it and write 7. Okay. So what is left? 3 and 7. 3 multiply 7, and both are in numerator. So you have to multiply. 3 multiply 7 is 3 7s are 21. That means 3/4 of 28. यानी 28 का 3/4 कितना होता है? 21. Okay. Now students, let's see the second example. That is 1/4 of a dozen. In this example, the number is not given, so we have to write a number by own. How? The word is given dozen, so 1/4 multiply. Dozen means what? 12 numbers, and 12 piece of any object is called the dozen. So that means you have to multiply with 12. Here directly number is not given, so you have to identify the word and write the number. Okay, now 1/4 multiply 12. Now in 4 table where comes 12? 4 3s are 12. So cut it and write. Now 3 1s are 3. So 1/4 of dozen, यानी dozen का 1/4 होता है 3. Okay, now our fourth example. So first put is equal to 1/4 of a liter. Here also the number is not given, only the word is given liter. Liter means what? 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे? 1/4 मल्टीप्लाई लिखेंगे. 1 लीटर की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे 1000 ml. Okay, now how can you do it? अब now 4 को 1000 से डिवाइड करना है, तो कैसे करोगे? 4000 का आधा कितना होता है? 500, और 500 का आधा होता है 250. दैट मीन्स 1000 डिवाइड बाई 4 करोगे, योर आंसर विल कम 250. इफ़ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड डायरेक्टली, you can do the division like this way and do it. Okay, that also you get the same answer. So our answer is 250 ml. that means 1/4 of liter, यानी 1 लीटर का 1/4 होता है 250 ml. Understood students? Okay, now let's see the next example. What is that? 1/5 of kilometer. Everybody knows about the standard unit of meter, kilometer. Okay students? So students, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so how can you write this? First you have to put the is equal to sign, then you have to write 1/5, that means 1/5 multiply. Instead of kilometer, what has to write? 1000 meter. Everybody knows about the standard unit. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So instead of kilometer, what I will write here? 1000 meter. Here also the number is not given. So first you have to think about the standard unit and then you have to write. So you get the number. Here this unit has to write compulsorily. In previous example also, this ml unit has to write compulsorily. Okay, in last answer also has to write unit. Okay, so now here, now 5000 को 5 से डिवाइड करना है. How can you do it? If you don't know directly, you can divide 1000 by 5. 5 2s are 10. Okay, then 0 0. Now you take down 0, it will not divide, so here will come 0 in answer. Again 0 down, it's not divide with 5, so it comes here 0. So our answer is 200. Okay, when 5 को 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे, आंसर आएगा 200. So what answer? 200 multiply 1, that means 200 meter. That means 1/5 of kilometer, यानी किलोमीटर का 1/5 होता है 200 meter. Understood? This sums you have to solve with the method. Here आपको डायरेक्टली नहीं करना है, यहाँ पे आपको मेथड को स्टेप के साथ दिखा के ही करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ सी द लास्ट एग्जाम्पल. 3/4 ऑफ एन आर, यानी आर का 3/4 फाइंड करना है. सो यू नो अबाउट दिस. 1 hour मीन्स हाउ मेनी मिनट्स? 60 minutes means 1 hour. So what to do here? You write here 3/4 मल्टीप्लाई एन आर. आर की जगह पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? 60 minutes. ओके, सो आपको यहाँ पे नंबर नहीं दिया है, सो यू हैव टू थिंक एंड राइट द नंबर. 1 hour की जगह पे हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है 60 minutes. डैट मीन्स हमें 60 minutes का 3/4 फाइंड करना है. डैट मीन्स सेम हुआ, 1 hour का 3/4 फाइंड करना है. सो अगेन हियर 60 डिवाइड बाई 4 को 60 से डिवाइड करना है. अगर आपको डायरेक्टली नहीं आता है, सो यू डू इट डिवीजन इन रफ पेपर. सो 4 1s are 4, 6 में से 4 जाएगा 2, देन 0 डाउन becomes 20. 4 5s are 20. So what answer will come? 15. So 15 4s are 60. Got it? Now what is left in numerator? 3 multiply 15. So 15 3s are 45. You write here minutes. Units लिखना compulsory है. Don't write only 45 minutes, नहीं लिखोगे so it's wrong. Okay, so 1 hour का 3/4 होता है 45 minutes. I hope you understand whatever I taught you. So do more practice so you can learn it more. Okay. If you have any doubts regarding these topics, you can write in comment box. Thank you.